Hello there, sailors and travelers. I have finally finished repainting, well, applying varnish to the two masts that you can see here. I'll show you close-ups later. Well, between sanding and fixing the smaller one that was broken there and repainting, I gave, well, so far 7 coats of varnish. Took about a week, I think. The big one in particular was pretty tough to take off the boat. Took us 4 people to take it out. 2 were up on the boat, and 1 was actually on that roof with a rope, trying to ease it down slowly. But anyway, it worked out pretty well, and well, you'd see it yourself now. So there it is. I just finished giving the 7 coat. Looks pretty sleek. And this one too, you see it in the shade. It's a great shade of mahogany, I think. And well, with 7 coating, this should last just a couple of years before I have to do it again. And I also just finished painting these, which is, you know, the rigging goes in here. This is just, I think, 4 coats of this paint here, and they look pretty good. So yeah, this is pretty much it as far as what I can do goes, because the next step will be to ask the guys at the shipyard to come and redo the caulking of the boat. And after that, I'll paint it up and reassemble everything. Not sure how long it'll be, but I'll keep you posted.